Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix Lego Fortnite not working. So the first solution here that we're going to do to fix this problem is by changing your compatibility settings. So to do that, you just need to go to Epic Games icon right here and then right click, and basically you just need to click on properties. Now here on your properties, you want to go to compatibility tab and just need to check this run this program as an admin. Once you've done, click on apply and then click on OK. Now the next step here is by changing the compatibility of Fortnite. So to do that, you just need to go to File Explorer, and then from here you just need to click on this PC, then go to disk where you installed your Fortnite. So basically here, I'm going to drive D where I can find this Fortnite folder, but usually you can find that on drive C and then program files times 86. But in this case, just want to go here on this Fortnite folder on drive D, then go to Fortnite game and then click on this binaries and then Win64. And then I just want to scroll down and find some exe file right here with the Fortnite logo. So basically you just need to right click on that logo files and then you just need to change the compatibility settings. So for example, right from here at the top, which is the Fortnite Win64 shipping. So right click here and we're going to click on compatibility, and here make sure to run this program or check this run this program in compatibility mode and select Windows 8. Then we're going to check also this disable full screen optimization. Once you've done, click on apply and then click on OK. So you can do this to all other Fortnite logo files as well. Now the next step or next solution here that we're going to do is by clearing Fortnite's and Epic Games cache files. So to do that, you just need to press Windows plus R key on your keyboard to open up Run app. Or you can basically go to search box right here at the bottom and you can just type run and just open this run app right here. And then all you need to do is just type here percentage local app data percentage and then click on OK to open up these folders. So here what you're going to do is find the Fortnite game folder and then the Epic Games and Epic Games launcher, and then you just need to delete all of that folder. But remember, your game will not be affected by doing this. Now the last solution here that we're going to do to be able to fix this problem is by updating your Windows and graphic drivers. So to do that, you just need to go to your settings. So open up your Windows settings app and then basically go to Windows Update and make sure to update or install the latest version or latest update on your Windows. And also just need to update your graphic drivers. So basically search right here device manager, and from here just need to find the graphics driver. So basically right from here, so we're going to click on this display adapters, right click on your driver and then click on update driver. So with these solutions, it should be fixed the problem on your Lego Fortnite. So that's it. That's how you basically fix Lego Fortnite not working. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.